Looking at the 96 Impala SS. If you know, you know. Alright. Is she with you? Okay. I didn't want to block anybody in. Alright. So, nothing when you turn the key?
It's pretty good.
Like machine gun sounds, or what do we got? Let's see. Nada. Okay. Do you want me to try to jump it, or do you want to just go straight to a tow?
Spent 20 minutes.
With the other car?
Yeah.
I have a pack that can like dead jump diesels, I'm telling you. If it's gonna jump, it'll be with that.
All right.
Yeah, let's try it. No, you're okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure I wasn't blocking you in. All right. Let's see what we got. Come on. Yeah, gotta love the side post. There we go. The battery shows 12.5, so I don't think it's the battery, but give it a shot. Yeah. Maybe it is the battery. It's probably got a dead cell or two.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it was worth a shot. Let me put this back and then we'll push it out. Yeah, it'll jump start a half dead battery, not a completely dead cell here and there battery. All right. So if you want to sit in it and steer it, I'll see if I can't get it going by myself. We want the front facing the rear of my truck.
Right.
Yeah.
But do you have creepers? Because it'll drag otherwise.
Oh yeah, we got all kinds of, yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, I got you. Any preference on where to push? Fender hood area?
Try not to make any dents.
You got it. No worries. Let me know. All right. Back to the left. Yeah, back that way. There you go. No, stop turning, go that way. Turn left. Straighten it out a little so it's not so hard. There you go. Yeah, we'll just go gradual. You're good, just like that. Keeps turning it. To the left more. Yeah. Oh man. Careful, it might be hot. Yeah, gotta keep going. Straighten it out a little more. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Watch your door on the hydrant. I can't really see how close we are. All right, you're good right there. Leave it in neutral if it doesn't move on its own. Whew. That is a big girl. These fucking cars are heavy. Man. Okay. He loves an Impala. So my usual recipe for these are like this caliber of car is soft straps on the lower control arms, but I don't know if the air dam is going to allow us to do that, so I just saw that. Let me see. Might need to pick it up from the rear. Let's see. Okay. So, you know the 3 pieces under there, right, for the air dam? This side is already broken. I'm sure you know, but I'm just letting you know. The center piece flexes up considerably, and the other side looks like it's broken also. I just want same page.
Yeah, they usually anchor it on the axle.
Yeah, front lower control arms is the best place because it's the lowest point, so it's less chance of mangling anything. Let's see, like that. All right. Oh man, control arms are way the hell back there. I don't even think I can reach those. Shit, and it's hot. Damn it. Oh. Give me this. Oh. Come on, you son of a bitch. Stupid hooks. Okay. And I made sure we went under the tie rods, not around them. Again, same page. I just want to update you as I go.
Too many years of work.
Right. I think it's got. Alright. Ooh. Guess I never noticed it, but the front end on these things is long.
Yeah. Now this is the last of the full-size wheelbase.
Yes, sir. After this, it was all front-wheel drive, right?
All front wheel.
Yep. And this generation's all SS's, right? I don't think they made... Did they make a base model of these ones? I was gonna say, I didn't think so.
They stopped at 93, so...
Nice.
94, 95, and 96. This is the 96.
Very good.
They had the SS.
Yeah. Oh no, my box is locked. I stayed at the hotel last night when I was in Reno. Or not Reno. El Paso. Where the hell did Reno come from? El Paso is where I was, not Reno. It was a very different place. Close that just in case. All right. All right. Let's see. Can I have you steer it? My hands are filthy. Just go left, obviously. A little bit more. Perfect. Just hold it right there for a second. Just want to get the ramps lined up. That one's good. Let me double check this one. Nope. Ugh. There we go. All right. Left. There you go. Right there's perfect. So now, go ahead and shut the door, and then I'll just have you watch the exhaust tips. I think we'll be okay, but if not, I have the upper sections we can add too. Doing okay? Okay. This one's gonna make it. Let me double check this side. Good to go. Love it. Where'd you go? Oh, can you jam it back in park for me? I just don't want to touch anything with my dirty hands. Interior looks like it was either redone or kept very pristine.
Just new.
Yeah, park, and then park and brake for me if you can. Perfect. And the release is under the dash, I'm assuming? Yes,
yes,
perfect. All right, keys in it? Or do you have them?
They're in it.
Okay. That's fine. You can leave them in there if it's in the ignition. Just turn it off, obviously. Yeah. You can leave them in there, though.
I'm heading over to the shop as well, so I'll just
okay,
give
cool.
it to him. Yeah.
I'll need them to get in a neutral, right? Okay. I just want to make sure. That's always the worst. I get somewhere. Okay. Sounds good.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Name?
Mikey.
Thanks, Mikey.
Yes, sir. I did not get any pictures of this thing. I kind of just got going as soon as we got here. Not good. But all good. Ooh. Just got a whiff of like sewer from somewhere. We are in Tempe though, so could just be the lake wafting over. Yeah, we're off Broadway somewhere. I couldn't tell you. Broadway and McClintock, I think, maybe. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Had to push it out and pull ramps out? Shit. Yeah, we don't charge extra for pushing, but some days I wish we did. I mean, I guess I could, but I don't know. That just seems bummy. Like, oh no, I had to do my job. Move a broken car. I'll charge you extra for it. Wah. No. I'm just gonna charge you the same pickup fee I charge everybody else. Doesn't matter. We do charge a little extra for ramps, obviously, but nothing crazy. I try not to use the ramps when we don't need to, but this guy specifically asked, and I think we needed them either way. So, all good. Whatever makes the customer more comfortable. Especially with a car like this. It's not just regular traffic. Know what I mean? Alright. It is still disgusting out here, which it's going to be for the next couple months. Hopefully the humidity lets up sometime soon. Whew. All right. Hopefully they saw me. All right, here at, I always forget the exact name, but it's sports and collector car, something like that. They work on cool cars. That's the gist of it. And I hate their driveway. I think I said that last time. Right about there. Sorry, I didn't mean to leave you at the light back there.
We knew we were going to be able to catch.
Yeah, well, for sure.
Broadway Road is not the speediest.
No.
A little congestion.
Always. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever gotten more than like 1 or 2 green lights in a row across Broadway.
My office used to be right over here for years.
Oh, shit. Have they worked on this before?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They're the only ones that have worked on it.
That's good. All right.
Dude.
Dude, I was like, is that a truck or an Impala on the back?
2,500 pound curb weight.
Oh, damn.
That's why you need 400 horsepower.
Yeah, there you go. Is it stock with 255s in the back?
What's that?
The tire size in the back, is that the stock width?
All the way around.
It's 255 all the way around? I didn't even notice that. Holy hell. That's great.
Yeah, I bought it from travel development. Throw whatever I needed in there and just go.
Hell yeah. Did they have a manual option for these? No, right? So I didn't think so.
This is manual.
What do you mean? I mean manual transmission.
Yeah.
What? It looks automatic.
It is automatic.
That's what I said.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
Manual option.
Oh, okay. I thought, yeah, I'm thinking like standard transmission. All good. All right, if you want to put it in neutral and then just straighten the wheel out a little bit to the right.
Release the parking brake.
Yes, please. Let me hold that door for you. Give me 1 second, unless you got it. Here, I got it. All right. And then just a little bit to the right. Perfect. Feel free to hold the door open or roll the window down. All right, foot off the brake. Let me just double check my ramp on the other side. Good to go. All right. Hey, shit. She's heavy. Big gal. Alright, just making sure. Park. That'll do it. Oy. Oy. Let me turn this off. Just remembered I have to put my strap under the bed, but I guess it's going on top of the bed for now, because I forgot. Alright.
Looks like you got a few cooler days coming up.
I saw that. I'm like sub 100's great. Yeah. Don't really do myself any favors, but
You have to protect yourself.
yep. Tattoos are too expensive to let them get eaten by the sun.
Yeah.
Oy. Just gonna put this in the box over there. All right. See you on the next one.